The Adventures of Luggy and Zippy.
It's here! It's here! My luggage Luggy is here! I can't wait to unpack all my toys and start to... What's this? Mom! They dropped off the wrong luggage! It's not my luggage! I want my Luggy back!
Hey, watch it!
Hey! What do we do now?
I've got an idea. Hey, up here! Check this out.
I'm gonna crash! I'm gonna crash! I'm gonna crash!
Ouch, it hurts.
Quick, they've gone!
Oh yeah! That was epic! 1 minute we were like this, next we were like that. I was like, ah!
Whoa! I was terrified! Check my wheels, I can't feel one! Where are we? What are you doing?
Where are we? Who cares? This is an adventure! Oh boy!
Adventure? It's a nightmare! We should be at Zachary's house!
It's just a little detour.
Blaze, what are you not telling me?
Nothing. Nothing. I swear. Oh, look! What's that?
Ah!
There. Done. Told you I'd fix it. Whoa! Wow.
Blaze, how do we find Zachary? Blaze!
I like this place. Newporea. I'm feeling it, man. Everything's gonna be okay.
Where are you, Zachary? Blaze, come back! It's Zachary Boo. One Chartwell Drive. Yes, it's my luggage. It's lost. You have to help me. You sent the wrong luggage to my house.
This scent, it's familiar. This doesn't belong to you. How did you get it? Who are you? Where are you from?
Mom, Luggy's gone. I'm sure it's safe, Zach. I'll submit an online request. I'll send pictures of Luggy. They'll find it, don't worry. Well, what if some bad guy stole Luggy? It's gone. Forever. Everything I own. Poof.
Hola. Where are you from?
Shush, shush. It's just an egg. Will you stop barking?
Oh, it can't speak.
Why, you?
Hey, something's kicking. It's alive!
Blaze, what are you doing?
He could help us.
How can you be so sure? Blaze, don't leave me alone.
Oh, pity someone didn't want you, little fella.
How is this supposed to help us?
Oh, don't worry, Jelly Bean.
No.
Zachary, I'm going to fetch Dad from work. Stay home. Be good. Zachary?
Yeah, Mom. Stay home. Be good.
Whoa. What do we have here? He's tiny. Ew. Oh, feisty. Aw. Aw. Let's get you cleaned up, little guy.
He doesn't seem to like you.
Feelings mutual. He's a pain. You see? My back is stiff.
Where are you from? Who are you? Really?
What? No.
He hatched inside you.
Ew. Oh, no. No! Am I its nest? I'm Zippy and I travel alone. I won't have this thing living inside me. Shoot!
Aw, you're so cute. Blaze, what's happening? You sure this is a good idea? What are we going to do now?
Right. Here's what's gonna happen. Someone will open you up, they will see Zach's address and realize that we are just lost. We'll be put into another vehicle. Finally, we will arrive at Zach's house. It's that simple. Believe me, humans do get it right sometimes.
I don't think so. I can just smell the trouble.
Relax. What could possibly go wrong?
The adventures of Luggy and Zippy.
Howdy, everybody. DJ Blaze here. That's right, your favorite hero. Ready to set your mind ablaze with some fun facts about my pal Luggy. What do you think the first luggage looked like? Well, firstly, trunks were used, and boy, were they heavy. Huh! These trunks were used in the 19th century and were considered the first luggages in the world. Huh! Finally, someone thought to invent a luggage with wheels. Now, who do you think first came up with this idea? A. The frail first man carrying the knapsack. B. The Knight Templar. C. A smart-looking American Bernard Sadow. Is it option A, B, or C? It's option C! Bernard Sadow! Yeah! Bernard Sadow invented this in 1974 when he first saw an airport porter wheel bags onto a cart. He figured, why not add 4 little wheels to his own suitcase? Genius. Just like me. See you in the next episode. Blaze out!
The Adventures of Luggy and Zippy.
Please, help!
Oh no, this is not good. Stop, you monster! All right, you asked for it. Axe time! Hey-ya! Take that and that and a half and yeah! Why, hello there. These little things? All I can say is, a boom. The name's Blaze. Blazing a trail, you know? I'm basically a hero. What? Huh? Huh? Okay, I'll be right back.
Well, hello. Ain't you cute?
What do you want? Do you want money?
Luggy! I'm on my way! Stop!
Ouch! Stop, you horrid thing! Get him off me! Why, you...
Hey, found it! 5 questions to identify baby birds. Color, black, brown, or gray. He's white. Shape of feet. Non-webbed. Is the skin naked, or does it have down feathers? Feathers for sure. Yeah. Beak. Is it straight or hooked? Hooked? Yeah, right. Okay, here we go. Let's see what the list turns out. What? There are so many types of baby birds? Oh dear. Let's see here. Nope. Nope. Nope.
I guess you just don't belong anywhere.
Excuse me? That is very rude of you.
Aha!
I think I found it. You're a baby heron. Ooh, I love this. It has an electrified hairdo. Yeah, right?
Go away.
Let's get you a name. Maybe Harold? Aw. All right. Something cuter. What about Pee-wee? Yeah, Pee-wee you shall be.
Yikes! I didn't mean to. I'm so sorry.
Thank you for saving me.
Let me get something. Anything to zip this up.
They don't make action toys like you anymore. Here, use this pin. It'll do.
I'm a firefighter, not a toy.
Do you see any fire in here, boy? Quick, unpin it. I can't reach it. Blaze!
Luggy?
Hey, no! That's the compactor! Stay away!
Here, do you want this or this? How about this? You know, Mom and Dad won't be home till 7. Who's up for an adventure?
I don't like the sound of that.
Oh, such an adorable bag for a child. Are you strong enough to withstand the compactor?
Help!
Are you sure this is a good idea?
Leave me alone!
Let go! Let go! I can't leave him alone! Don't stop me! Don't stop me! Don't stop me! Hey! 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 Don't stop me! Don't stop me! Ooh, he's my buddy! I have to save him! Ah! That's right! I need to go. I can't just hide here. Ha! I'll do this and this and that. I'm gonna take them out.
Are you always like this? See that? I'll distract them. You find your way to jam this pin. It'll shut down the machine.
I don't know if that'll work.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
Just stop moving, will you? You're making me dizzy. Ow!
Yeah.
Oh, you hate to admit it, but you're attached to him.
The brat? No way. I refuse to admit I'm a nest. No.
Check out this house, Harry.
Ooh, it looks very new. Sully, hand me the frisbee. Hello? Anybody home? We have your frisbee.
Looks like they just moved in.
See? I told you the frisbee would come in handy.
Let's get to work before they come home.
Hey, what's that toy doing?
Let's hope this works.
Uh-oh.
Please, help!
We're coming for you, Luggy! Yeah! Hey, everybody. DJ Blaze here. That's right, your favorite hero. Here to set your mind ablaze with lessons about our cute little peewee. Tour. This is how huge the harpy eagle can grow. From wingtip to wingtip, they are longer than the height of a full-grown man. Cool. Let's have some fun now. Can you guess what a harpy eagle eats to grow so big? A. Small animals. B. Fruits. C. Leaves. There you go. The harpy eagle preys primarily on tree-dwelling mammals, such as sloths and monkeys. Better not be messing around with little peewee here. You've been warned. See you in the next episode. Blaze out!
The adventures of Luggy and Zippy.